Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from VProp Trader. So to do that, there is a few steps need to be done. First, you need to pass the challenge, which is usually need to meet all the profit targets and not break any rules. Then the system will mark your account as passed. After that, you need to verify your identity, KYC. Then you need to connect a payout method, bank transfer or crypto wallet. Then you submit a payout request. To do that, you need to go to payout or payment section in the app, choose the amount that you want to withdraw, then select your payout method, wait for approval, and if it is approved, you will receive your payout. So some users report quick responses, but many say that VProp Trader delays or reject payout for unclear reasons. So to make sure that you are in safe position, I recommend you to keep a screenshot of every step in case of any issues. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.